This is me trying to get ready. Okay, hi, and welcome back to Let's Bake and Cook Stuff. Today I'm making Quinoa Tabbouleh, or if you are a purist and you think that tabbouleh has to only be made with Bulgar, then I'm just making quinoa salad. I'm starting out, I made 1 cup of 1 cup of quinoa turned into all this. This is like almost 3 or 4 cups of quinoa, but it was 1 cup cooked in 2 cups of water for 15 minutes. You simmer it 15 minutes and then you let it cool. This is about room temperature now. And we are going to add 2 green onions. I'm going to chop these kind of thinly. But if you want a big chunk of green onion in there, you can chop it big. If you have a red onion instead, use that. I happen to have green onions today, so. And I use all the green onion. I use all the way up to the green, almost all the way to the very top. Okay. I have 1 jalapeno. Optional, definitely not part of the regular tabbouleh. I'm going to dice this jalapeno pretty finely. I'm going to start with half of the jalapeno and see how that goes. And if I want to add more, then I'll add that second one. But for now, I'm just going to add a half. This is a pretty good size one. And I made salsa yesterday with this batch of jalapenos, and it was pretty spicy, so I might not need all of that. This is just half of a bunch of parsley. I'd say it's half of a cup. I'm going to cut this up pretty finely. Tabbouleh, super good for you. It's got mint in it. It's got parsley. The quinoa has the protein for you. And the onions, of course, tomatoes, cucumbers. If you don't have fresh parsley, you could use a couple tablespoons of dried parsley. You know, it's not going to be the same. Obviously, the fresh is going to give you a little more fresher flavor, but sometimes we don't have it. And that's flat leaf parsley. I've got a whole bunch of mint here. Just going to slice it up. To tell the truth, I'm not a huge fan of mint. I like it in my gum. Other than that, you won't see me use it that much, but it's kind of traditional, and I'm using a little bit less than what you normally probably would. This is about 1/4 cup. I got a little bit of tarragon here. If you don't have that, leave it out. I just bought some, so I'm gonna dump it in there, and this is probably gonna end up being about a tablespoon. No, more like a teaspoon. Okay, 1 clove of garlic. Okay. Pepper to taste. A little bit of salt. This is 1 cucumber diced. This is, I don't know, about a dozen cherry tomatoes cut in half. 1/4 cup of lemon juice. That is fresh squeezed, but if you have the other stuff, use it. And 1/2 cup of olive oil. we stir, and then we have a delicious quinoa tabbouleh. Now, if you want to put more tomatoes in here, more onion, more quinoa. Quinoa is a grain. I use it like pasta salad. I'll make a pasta salad just like this one here, and just put stuff that I put in pasta salad. And usually my pasta salad has more vegetables in it than pasta. And just like this feels like it has more vegetables in it than quinoa. Super good. Super good for you. And you taste it and see if it's how you like it. That's really good. And that jalapeno is going to be fine with just a half. And again, you could leave that out. See, now that's something nice, different for a potluck. Still cool, but you can have it in the fall and the winter and the summer, any time of the year. Enjoy. Sorry, I forgot I was going to put some feta cheese in there. And I just wanted you to see. Again, optional. Don't put it in there if you don't want to. You know what else would be good in here? Some olives. Kalamata olives or some black olives, or if you're more into green olives. Anyway, oh man, that cheese smells so good. You like feta cheese? It's real salty. So good. Again, a salad for any time of year. We're in the fall right now, so it would be perfect for now. But it'd be a nice summer salad. In the spring, winter, bring this to a Christmas party. Something different, right? I love it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. If you would like to see more videos from me, please subscribe. If you hit the bell, you'll get a notification every time I have a video out. Have any comments? Leave them below. You take care now.